Onion rings are a perfect appetizer for any occasion. The crispy, delicious, and extremely affordable starter will not only pleasantly surprise your family, but is also very easy to make at home. Here is our recipe to make perfect onion rings that your family and friends will love. Start out mixing crackers with paprika, then baking powder and salt in separate bowls. After that, take 3 eggs and whisk them well. Now all you have to do is dip the onion rings into these 3 bowls in the order shown on the screen. The final step would be to fry them in hot oil and get them out after the crust has become golden in color. Voila! In a few simple steps, you get nice, hot, and tasty onion rings ready to be served. Try these onion rings today and you will never have to search for another onion ring recipe. Enjoy! We also have plenty of ideas for delicious meals. All you need is to subscribe and cook with us.